Hi guys! Hello and mabuhay! Welcome back to my channel, Junris React. How are you all guys? I hope you're doing well and amazing. And for today's video reaction, let's travel to one of our favorite country now, which is Brazil and Chile. Oh my God, I'm so excited with this one because a lot of you guys suggested with this next video reaction for Gabriel Henrique and Gibbs, that after the Whitney Houston and Mariah Carey cover that they did in, you are suggesting with this next video that we have. I'll put the small clips in here so that you can read the names to the person, because a lot of you guys, that's why I didn't mention your names. I just put the small clips in here and the comments that you have, and I appreciate that you came into my channel, supported in my channel also, and yeah, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much, Boom Dia and Xiao, or whatever it is in the world watching with this, because I know it's not just only for the Brazilian who watch with our video reaction to Gabriel Henrique and Gibbs. There's also from Spain and different part of the world who watches with our video reaction, and I'm so happy. I'm glad you came into my channel and supported and even leave your comments. And the title of this video that we need to do some reaction for today, guys, is a performance of Kids and Gabriel Henrique with Open Arms in a Spanish version. And I think this place that they shoot, some of the commenters saying that it was shoot in a Chilean, I think, village or Chile in particular, beautiful place. And I think the same with this one. And credit also with the owner of the video to Kevin and Carla. I'll put in the description box below so that you can connect also with the owner of the video and watch the full video, since we have to make some few cuts of it for the video reaction purposes. Let's get to it, guys, and please support also with Gabriel Henrique's channel. I'll put also in the description box below. Please connect with Gabriel Henrique, guys. And please consider like and subscribe also with my channel, Junris React, and be part of our member that you can see in the description box below. Let's get to it. You're a superhero. Have fun with this, guys. Gabriel Henrique, Open Arms, and Gibbs. It's really beautiful. The place, wow. Chile. Wow. There is something on Gibbs' voice that you truly fall in love. Those harshness of the voice, those softness, those beautiful melody. Oh my God, the handsomeness that he has. Even that you will be like closing your eyes, you will feel that this guy is very talented and feeling the emotions, like few lines of the song, but still you got chills and goosebumps the way he just sang it. He's very talented, and I like his tone that is giving on this one. My goodness, the view, boom, love it. Oh my God, Gabriel. Those control, those like twisting, or how do you call this one? Like twirling, the stone. This cover, it's so insanely great. That's why in my previous reaction, I said the best like rendition or the best cover that they did for Mariah Carey and Whitney Houston song. And this one also, oh my God, how talented they are. For me, hearing with their cover is just they're making this song, like listening it on a previous like years. And this year, 2025, hearing with these two talented artists from different countries, singing with this one, it's so more beautiful, and like I was mind blown. This is so amazing how they just arrange with their own ways, with their own talent, with their own voices, and that's genius and smart. Goodness gracious, I loved it so much. I was stunned. I got chills. Bravo.
Y ahora estoy frente a ti, amándote. Mi corazón no puede esconder que yo.
Sorry guys, I didn't know that kids also have the high like pitch. Those range he did. Oh my god. I think he just leveled up with like he has to level same with Gabriel Henrique. These guys are insanely great and good and whew, I was holding my breath. I was so insanely happy making this video reaction. Thank you guys for suggesting with this one. See, if I haven't asked you to have your suggestion in my channel, this guy's making me so crazy listening with this. Wow.
No sé querer, fue
Uh,
vivir a tu lado, amor, que soñé.
oh my. For me, these two are a perfect, like a perfect, what do you call this one, duo in making such covers that they're really making sure that the covers have justice on it. They give justice. They just killed it and nailed it. This amazing song. This is a huge song, but they're making it like for them. This is really good. Oh my god, it's just like I'm having my wine, chilling, listening, watching with this one, but you were mind blown the way they just singing with this one. With those beautiful background view, those mountain, crazy. Goodness. Whew. Wow.
Solo en mi cuarto, sin tu calor, fui conociendo el temor. Te quise tanto, mi alma de ti. Hoy que regresas a mí. Se llena el vacío, se apaga.
Oh my god. It's like those play of tone, those play of melody, those arrangement that they did, showing the talent of Gabriel Henrique, showing his range, and also with Gibbs, with those blending, with those melody that they just giving, is such a perfection for me. Oh my goodness. I'm so really happy making this video reaction. Hearing with this amazing, very, very talented guys from different part of the world singing a one song with those very beautiful voices they had. Wow, it's God's gift. Truly, truly amazing. Bravo to these two. Wow!
Con tu amor, y ahora estoy frente a ti, amándote. Mi corazón no puede esconder. Yo sin ti no sé.
Sorry to cut it over, guys. I think Gibbs just showing it off on his talent in this song. Because on the previous one, like on the Mariah Carey and Whitney Houston song, I think Gabriel showed his talent on a skill to a level that is like so amazing that he's just showing the whistle tone that he has. But this one, Gibbs, it's showing his range. He's showing his real talent that he can sing so much high with the level of Gabriel Henrique's talent. And that's incredible. This is in a good way that I'm saying that Gibbs is making it like in a higher, it's just showing it off in a good way, because this is so amazing how they arrange the song with their different talent or skills in their range of voice. Wow, I was mind blown with this one. This is smart. This is genius.
Vivi a tu lado, amor,
Oh my god, this
que soñé.
crazy.
Que soñé.
Wow. Joaquin Sorrell, Mix Kids, Master Francisco Holzman, Open Arms. Oh my god. That was fantastically great. It's so amazing to listen. I was happy. I'm enjoying with the performance. It's like everything in just seeing with this store that's really incredible and very, very talented. Whew. Thank you guys for suggesting with this one. I truly appreciate from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for asking me to make some video reaction with this amazing performance of them. I didn't like have my second thought, because I know when you suggesting a song for this amazing talented artists from Brazil and Chile are so they will kill it and they will just nail it, and they really did. And I'm so happy that I did. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching with this one, because I enjoyed it so much. And if you have some comments and suggestions for my next video reaction to any Kids and Gabriel Henrique or any artist from Chile or Brazil, put in the comment section. I would love to read and respond with you all. And please do consider like, share, and subscribe also in my channel, Junris React, and be part of our member that you can see at the description box below. Thank you so much, guys. God bless. Whew, ciao and mabuhay. God bless. Bumdia to our Brazilian friends. Bye bye, guys. Have a good day, everyone.